Here we are. It's Sunday morning. It's December 3rd, and Nicholas and I are busy building the carport here. It's called a lean-to carport, and we've just come back from the home center again. We have our masts. Our masts are already in place, and then we have new ones that run down, and then we're crossing them with 2x4s. And then we'll put the roof on top, right, Nicholas? Hi, Nick. And and there's our fertilizer and grass seed, ready for the field later. And we have Mr. Suasan up here, topping off our tree, which I didn't want to do that this time on my own, but I am learning. So you see, he's attached right now to a tree support, so he's wearing a harness. And the tree support, just in case he falls off, he won't fall to the ground. We have one of those too. And he's just slowly making his way up the tree. Lots of people. Okay, bye everybody.
So we're gonna take down the tree with the car. And pretty tall tree. Let's see who's starting. I'm gonna say timber. Timber!
Here we are, we're on the deck right now. A little bit scared. little bit scared to be out here doing this. But these are very, very thick pieces of wood, right? Hi.
Hi.
Anything for the students, anything for experience with my son. And Nikki, I gotta tell you, you've also been doing an amazing job this trip.
Yay!
Right? So I just have to trust my work a little more. And then, wow, Nick, these screws you picked, amazing.
Earlier we were taking down the tree. Now we're here on the deck, and Greg is on the ground and making the roof.
Coming along. This is the final piece of this for now, but I think we can add lights and maybe some electricity as well. But this is us building our tractor lean-to canopy here in Chiba, Japan, right? And doing it with my son all the better. Right, buddy? You having fun?
Yeah.
You've got so many skills, my friend.
Yeah, you too.
No, I'm just following the instructions, but actually there wasn't really any instructions for this. It was kind of, had to find it on our own, right? And also find out what's available at the home center because you know, there's not, right? The home center doesn't have, some home centers have what we need, some don't. We had to go to 2 of them, right? And I'm glad we picked the brown. Clear would have been nice, but brown blends in with the trees, right? What do you think?
Also, we're gonna, we didn't actually buy this. We didn't get it made. We made it ourselves. First time.
You got it, buddy. First time project for father-son. And I'm glad that we had someone come and cut the tree down because then we could actually spend more time also building the canopy.
Yay.
Right. But also, he's very good at what he does. We'll have him back again to cut some more trees for us because we have quite a few trees to cut. I have to be careful how I move around here, not to go onto a hollow spot. Right?
It's like Squid Game.
Oh, is that a... Yes. Whoa.
If you miss a spot, game over.
This is very, very strong plastic. Acrylic, I think. This is actually not the same stuff that we've used for... This is not the same stuff we used on our deck. Over there.
For sure.
It's also kind of expensive, this stuff. To be
Plus, new is better, I guess.
We're almost done, bud. Okay, you can hang up the video because I'll need you down here for some more. Uh-oh, shoes coming off. But I guess you don't really need it. I'll need you for some more hand passing up some stuff, all right?
Yep. So you heard Greg. I'll see you later. Bye.